Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. Well, hi everybody. Welcome back to Boating Journey. I'm Scott. This is Allie.
And today we wanted to do something a little fun, kind of get your opinion as well, especially from the other YouTubers.
We've been talking about doing this for a long time.
We have been. And, we appreciate all of you who have stuck by us. We have almost 10,000 followers. We are boatless, probably will be for a little while, but we are trying to get some boat tours in and some fun adventures. Mm-hmm. But along the way, we started this channel really hardy, I would say, in 2017, but really gung-ho in 19. So it's been a good 5 years to make that run. And the comments that we get, some are great and some are not so great. And we've learned to take everything with a grain of salt. We really don't let it bother us. But there are a few things we did want to address. So, without further ado, should we just jump right in?
Sure. Comment number 1.
Yeah. So the first thing before I read the comments is understand that when we give you, well, let me go back actually. There are 3 highlights I wanted to highlight that I think are important for you to know about both of us. Number 1, we have owned 2 boats. I grew up boating since I was 8 years old. Mm-hmm. And I've been in the marine industry for almost 8 years. So for those of you who say you know nothing about the boat business or you know nothing about boating,
I would challenge you to have a conversation with her.
Yeah, we do. The second point we want to make is that these are not sales tours, and we've stressed that over and over. They are our reaction to stepping onto a boat for the very first time.
Yeah, it's our first impression of the boat, sight unseen.
We don't do recognizance. We don't. And if a lot of you go, well, look at Naughty Style. This is how they do it. There's not a whole lot different, and we'll dive kind of into that as well. And then keep in mind, the Couch Warriors, you don't really bother us. We have published over 240 videos. And they take a lot of time. As a lot of you who have also taken time off now, it is exhausting. We have full-time jobs, mm-hmm. and you do a fantastic job editing. But we are not meant to be, cinematic world travelers,
Oh, no. And I would say thank you for watching the videos and providing your feedback. So we appreciate that.
Some of the great comments that we do get, and we'll reference a couple of these to specific videos, but, let me just put you this way. There's 2 pages of notes, and these were just a few, but things like, thank you for showing us around. I'd never get the opportunity to visit that myself. Beautiful yacht, great tour, another great tour, great job. Thanks for the tour. That really means a lot. Mm-hmm. There was one in particular when we did the Explorer that said, I've watched other YouTubers. They did not do as good of a walkthrough as you both did. Thumbs up. And we had a ton of compliments and comments on that particular video. Right. What's funny is that then somebody wrote, worst tour ever, clueless. And then the guy couldn't spell clueless. So that was funny. Another guy, very poor quality video. Lady needs to train the walkthrough before recording.
That's not the point of it. The point of it is we're getting on the boat for the first time. We're walking through it just as you would with us as well, and we're just giving you our first impressions as they come.
Yeah. Another guy said the similar thing. He started quoting me, all kinds of electronics, wine fridge, wow. Footrest, wow. You chose an interesting boat, but do your off-camera recognizance again. That's not what our goal was.
Right.
There's another comment that someone said, stick to selling cars. We don't sell
I don't
cars.
even understand that one, where we don't even sell cars. Nobody's in the car. We've never been in the car business.
The next one, obviously not a boater or knows anything about boats or yachts.
I would go back to my previous statement. I challenge you to have a boating conversation with her regarding the industry, yachts, boats, and anything else involved, because she will smoke you.
Then we had we do really appreciate the in-depth comments. So we had one that said, I really enjoy your channel and enjoyed the update with moorage, fuel, maintenance, and insurance, plus the cost of a boat. The dream for many is slipping away. Ignore the haters and keep putting out great content. You are a true follower, and we really, really do appreciate your comments. Another person wrote, I love your story and perspective on what to look for in a boat. So many stepping stones. That's really all this is about. And as we've mentioned, we're probably 10 to 12 years from retirement. So we're going to take this time.
How far?
Oh, I don't know. No?
Good God, I hope not.
Oh, well, I don't know. You never know. You look at your Social Security statement, it tells you to keep on working. But a couple funny ones. One in particular, we had the very fortunate opportunity to tour a 103 sport fish. First of all, we've never been on a sport fish.
Nope.
And we were excited just to see what it was like. And we prefaced the video. We said, we've never been on one. We don't know what to expect. Come aboard. It'd be as if you, who are not in the industry, stepped aboard for the first time as well. Again, here was some of the comments. Good grief. Gorgeous boat. Loved it. And then in all caps, really painful commentary, just saying, know what you're showing. Ugh. You have the wrong person talking about $1 million fishing yacht.
Yes, if she was talking about a fishing yacht, what it's used for, what it had, what features it had, that's not what it was. It's a superficial cosmetic tour of the boat.
Yeah, and we were just thrilled to be on it. Another guy wrote, nauseating video footage, slow it down and stop the wild swings. We do agree there has been very many times, especially at a boat show, that when we're trying to get better, especially when we're at a show, we're trying to definitely slow down.
Yeah, it's always tough, especially at a boat show, if you're not there before the show starts. When there's people on the boat, you have to try and get as much footage as you can, but at the same time, you have to be respectful of everybody else's position on the boat. So we tend to fly through those a little bit more. I like the one that says, "Tell them to shut up."
Oh, okay, I'm going to get to that one because that's a good one. But before I do that, I want to go back to the sport fisher. Some guy actually wrote, "Nice yacht, keep up the great work. I can only imagine going out for a day on that. Don't let the negative couch haters get to you." Another one, great video. Y'all are awesome. Wish you the best of luck. One person said, a great job. Hope to meet you at one of the boat shows. So when we have met our followers, it's actually been really humbling. And we've met quite a few at boat shows and just traveling around. So
always random, and it's always exciting.
A couple, so here's one. We have a couple really key videos. One, of course, was my trip to Bimini. But another one was the Sea Ray 51. This was a very unique yacht. It's very wide, great for entertaining. So many people wrote, beautiful boat, awesome detailed video, thank you. Great boat, great job. Attention to detail, similar to that of another channel I follow. Most are just a quick run through in 2 to 3 minutes. You guys did a great job. Another person wrote, you say you're not a salesperson, but you did excellent work. Nice tour. Great job. What's funny is on that same particular video, we got so many comments, and I only wrote down a couple, because you and I were talking at the same time. It's our tour. He's obviously the cameraman, but he's touring. Again, I mentioned Naughty Styles. Rico is talking, right, to Victoria. They're talking. Right. But yet we got these comments. What's more annoying than two people talking at the same time? Not
Tell
much.
him to shut up.
Tell him to shut up.
I love it.
There was, you better do no walkthrough than such a bad one.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Sea Ray, nice boat, bad presentation. Respectfully, it's incredible frustrating when the guy talks all the time. Leave the lady to do all the talking.
I would agree. She makes more good points than I do. But hey, every now and then I just want to say something.
Here's a, oh wait, what was that? Oh, I did that one. Another couple positives. Great tour, very informative, nice videography. Let's see. I missed the, Rivieras are really quality boats. Thanks for the tour. Because we got quite a few people that kind of picked on us on that one too. A lot of people really did like it. Here's
Yes.
the one that I thought was one of the funniest. Funny how you call your boat a yacht and the other's boats. Okay, well, before I finish this guy's comment, I'm going to let you know. In the yacht industry, we refer to all boats boats. I mean, it's just a thing. Did you get your boat listing up? Did you get the boat photography done? But yes, if it's 40 feet and above, typically it's considered a yacht, right? This guy writes, funny how you call your boat a yacht and others' boats. A 74 Sunseeker is a boat, not a yacht. LOL. I beg to differ. A 74-foot boat is a yacht. Again, anything typically over 40. So our last boat, which was the Bayliner 4087, that was a motor yacht. It was the original Meridian. So we know based on a lot of these comments, a lot of these people, I will go out and see, how many followers do they have? Are they publishing videos? What kind of comments do they make in general? I just don't let them bother me.
Yeah, you can't. You got to take the good with the bad and the bad with the good.
We do appreciate especially the positive ones and the constructive criticism. So we've learned, a lot of them said, hey, slow down your videos. Don't do as many swings. Tone down the music, too much music. Don't play as many ads. We do make money on this channel, so we've tweaked that. So we do listen to you, and we do want to make it better. But understand the original intent for the video was for us to record our tours for ourselves. What did we like about the boat?
Right.
What didn't we like about the boat? So that we didn't have to, remember it or write it down, I guess.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
And the same for the trips. We don't get a lot of comments on our trips, and we would love to hear your feedback too. We don't, so maybe there's something you want us to do, but
Yeah, I would say we're not the best travel vloggers when it comes to that kind of thing.
and we're not meant to be.
And we're not meant to be. That's not the purpose of the channel. But
it's a way for
we're trying
us
to get better on that.
But it's a way for us to record that adventure for ourselves, right? So, 20 years ago, we all took tons of pictures and we had photo albums, and then we took those and we digitized them, and then I started a blog, which I still have. But now our YouTube channel is really kind of just documenting, which was the original intent, to see, hey, if we finally buy a boat in so many years and we do start cruising the world, this is how we got here.
Exactly.
It's a long journey. Some of you are able, which we're fortunate. We follow a few new families. We follow Scout and Machete.
Mm-hmm.
And the cool thing about those two families is they just sold everything, took their kids, lots of them, and went. And so we're really proud of you.
Yes.
And I think that's great. So many of us wish we could do that. And at our age, we can't. We've got to just stick it out till we're absolutely ready. And when we're ready, we will do it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. But COVID kind of put a huge monkey wrench into our timeline.
So anything else you wanted to add?
No, I don't think so. Do we want to mention that one?
Oh, yes, I totally forgot. Well, there's actually, I forgot about this one too. Turned on, heard daft music over speech, left comment, turned off, another video ruined. But there was, besides this one that we're going to tell you about, there was another one where Scott was at this, kind of think it was your first flibs or your first mibs, I think it was flibs. and it was
Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show.
blazing hot.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, blazing hot. He's
always is.
climbing stairs, and some guy goes, "Dude, I don't know, but that huffing and puffing, man, you need to see a doctor." And, we agree we're trying to lose weight. And then somebody wrote, "You both might want to consider losing weight."
Tell us something we don't know.
I had another
And remember, sorry, the camera adds like
10 pounds.
10 pounds, so.
I had another comment about a year and a half ago, and they said, "Great video, but I couldn't stand watching the fat one," which is me. Okay, so
Oh, well.
I'm not the scantily clad boat tour gal. I am who I am.
I tell her to be scantily clad,
Oh
but
God!
she chooses not to
You
be.
would all unsubscribe and turn off. So we are working on that. We've been working out, walking, but doing the best we can. So we do appreciate your comments, and we do appreciate you guys tuning in. So thank you.
Thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment. Again, positive, negative, anyway, we just appreciate you watching it and supporting our channel.
Absolutely. Thanks, everyone.
We'll see you next time. Oh, we talked over each other.
Oh no.
Oh no, we're gonna get a comment over that. Bye.